What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jimmy Flame, cutting off the music once again so I can get right to it. This is this quick little review of this really cool VST that I've been sitting on for a while, and I wanted to make people more hip to it than review it, you know what I mean? So it's more an awareness type video that I'm making right now because I'm really excited about this thing, and I think this is a really cool tool for any producer to have stashed away for anytime they need to add movement to any sort of audio clip or file or whatever. I think it's especially good when using static synthesizer sounds, which is exactly what I'm going to demo today. So I have this song that I already have. Sorry, can't talk. That's funny. I'm going to open up movement here, and I have movement as an effect here in the inserts Studio One of my Tai. I just have a really basic synthesizer running through this thing, so I'll just play that real quick. Let me solo it up. Right, so we got a synthesizer here. Kind of boring. Let's add some life to it with this movement. I have a preset already staged, so here we go. Pretty cool, right? So it adds movement literally to this static synthesizer without and then with. Now let's kick on the whole song, see how it helps the song move. Mix it back just a little bit. Pretty cool, right? So let me dive in just a little deeper to show you some of the presets. I'm not going to get into all of them because, again, this is a short video, right? So I'm going to keep this boring static keyboard going, and I'll just kind of go through some of them. There's a really cool, let me look in here real quick, saw pumper. Right, so normally to get that effect you would have to run a sidechain compressor through like a kick drum or whatever instrument you're trying to get it to respond, get the pumping from, and then put it through the synthesizer or whatever instrument that you want pumped, right? I guess that's a good way to put it. This one, this is already pre-baked in here. It's pretty cool just by using these simple volume keys along here. Now, all of these, like the rhythm, all four rhythms, it comes with, you can have up to 4 rhythms going at once. It's pretty cool. They're all customizable, right? So you got 2 on this pumper. It's basically just an LFO volume push, right? And then it goes from 0 up to your decibels and then back to 0 immediately. It's pretty cool. So it creates that pumping effect that you would normally need to sidechain, but you don't have to here. So this is pretty cool. And then let's just look at some other things. So here's one where all 4 are open. And all of this is customizable. La, 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 la. Let's see what this sounds like. Get it all worked out. And then that's pretty cool. It kind of creates this computerized sort of motion movement effect that sort of fades, right? So not sure if that would work on this particular song because that constant movement could get a little annoying there, but you guys get the gist. Movement, check it out. It's by Output. Let me show you their YouTube. They got a lot of subscribers. Maybe I can get to 81,000 subscribers one day, right? So the only way to get there is if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Rock it out on here. I put out a lot of stuff. Well, I'm starting to put out more stuff, so definitely follow the channel. I'm going to be, putting out some more stuff here shortly, but they got a ton of videos. Definitely check them out. Output over on YouTube. Check out their channel. The link is in the description. Just hit that link, go on over there, check them out. Far more in-depth they are. That's sort of like a Yoda way to put it. Further in depth they are. Oh my gosh, I need to just get off here. Okay, so check them out, but definitely make sure you check out my channel. You're already checking it out. I can't even talk right now. Anyhow, let's just get out of here. Thanks for tuning in. This is Jim Flame once again. That's my hot take on movement by Output. See you later.